Dear comrades, come members of CBOA, Namaste. This is Yama Jagdishwar Reddy, a senior servant to the members of CBOA. Dear members, you know I am contesting for General Secretary of CBOA with your support, and I needed also. Dear members, our CBOA started elections in scheduled way. In the first schedule, they sent notices to which are the regional constituencies are conducting. They are issued notices to all the regions. Suppose if you are not received, you can ask your regional secretary that we are not received the notice. So regarding this first step in the election process, delegate election. In this delegate election, I will tell you in this delegate election which are the positions and how many are there, and for how many positions in that circle, how many delegates are going to be elected by the delegates into 15, the members in the region. Okay, come to the Chennai. Out of Chennai, I am coming from highest position to lowest position. Highest number of positions to lowest number of positions. Chennai is a 58 positions, and these 58 positions will be elected by 207 delegates. These 207 delegates will be elected by the members into 15. You can make it. So Delhi members are going to elect 162 delegates, and this out of this 162 will be elected at triannual 47. And Madurai, in this election, delegate election, 130 delegates will be elected by its members. And Agra, 128 delegates will be elected for 41 positions. Hubli, 121 delegates will be elected for 40. Lucknow, 132 delegates will be elected by its members for 40 positions. Pune, 94 delegates will be elected by its members for 37 positions. Bhopal, 105 delegates will be elected for 36 positions. Chandigarh, 108 delegates will be elected by the members for 34 positions. Kolkata, 100 plus delegates will be elected by its members for 34 positions. Manipal, I will come back to Manipal. Patna, 98 or above delegates will be elected by its members for 32 positions. Thiruvananthapuram, 130 plus delegates will be elected by its members for 32 positions. Hyderabad, I will come back to you. Vijayawada, 110 plus delegates will be elected by its members for 31 positions. Mangaluru, 77 delegates will be elected by its members for 29 positions. Karnal, 97 delegates will be elected by its members for 27 positions. Tirupati, 100 delegates will be elected by its members for 26 positions. Ahmedabad, 61 delegates will be elected by its members for 25. Bhubaneswar, 69 or around delegates will be elected by members for 24 positions. Jaipur, 70 delegates will be elected by its members for 24 positions. Mumbai, 70 delegates will be elected by its members for 24 positions. Kozhikode, 80 delegates will be elected by its members for 23 positions. Ranchi, 54 delegates will be elected by its members for 21 positions. Guwahati, 41 delegates will be elected by its members for 18 positions. Dear, what are the secretaries we are going to be elected at our triannual general election? That secretaries will come from these 3,000 delegates. 869 I told na earlier as per the present secretaries number of secretaries. So those number of secretaries will be again elected by these 3000 delegates in triannual. I skipped Bengaluru, Manipal and Hyderabad. Why? This Bengaluru, Manipal, Hyderabad, these three are the game changers. Why I am telling you means, apart from the regional units, members are more at admins like HO. So Bengaluru will be 184 delegates from the field and 160 from the members of other than field. It means HO. Manipal 113 will be from the field delegates for 33 positions and 13 will be HO. Hyderabad 120 plus delegates from field and 20 from HO. These Hyderabad will be for 31 positions, 141 members, 41 delegates will be elected by its members, and Manipal 126 plus delegates will be elected by its members for 33 positions. Bengaluru is a kingmaker. Bengaluru is a game changer. How? From Bengaluru we have, how many you can guess? 340 plus delegates will come from only single Bengaluru. So dear members, so kindly go through my data once again. Elect the right delegate. A responsible members only will elect responsible delegates. Responsible delegates only elect who works for their members. Each delegate remain in your mind who are going to elect in 12th, 13, 26, 27. The 15 members of each delegate have a responsibility of 15 members. They are trusted you, and if you don't cast your vote in coming triannual, it is a betrayal of the 15 members. So all the members kindly actively participate in the coming elections. If you don't cast your vote, go through the note, the point mentioned in the note after the agenda, third point. If you are going to be absent for the coming election, kindly give a written consent that whom you are proposing and or second the person who is going to attend the delegate election. If you don't give that written consent, you don't have authority to ask in future. So delegates, wish you all the best who are contesting. Members, wish you best of luck. Elect the right members for the next 36 months service. If you don't fight what you want, then don't cry what you lost. Jindabad.